What's the word again? Oh yeah, manners.
An invisible creature.
It can make noises, music.
Ha! We got the ting. They loved it.
Okay.
I even hired a slob teacher to help me. Just like you did.
That coal? He thought it blew candy and ate it. It gave me tummy ache.
Ew, enchanted cold breath. Thanks for dinner.
All right, Leo. What do kid ogres hate to eat?
How would I know?
Don't worry, I made enough for everyone.
Hear ye, King Wackadoo.
My favorite flowers.
Oh, flower burps are so romantic.
My poor deluded siblings.
I was born ready. Sorry.
The same costume you wear every year.
Wow, nice one, Leo. I see closed-mouth burp is one of your superpowers. And away we go. Oh. Ouch.
Finally, a song I can sing. That Pat?
Criminy crickets! It wasn't me, Rebecca. My burps sound like this.
And mine sound like this. And sometimes like this.
Or this.
Leo! That's the same burp from the concert.
For the love of sonar! A burping fairy?
I messed up, and I accidentally gave myself that burps. Stir it together with swamp grass root.
Hell.
Right? Okay.
Ooh, couldn't say no to that sweet little dragon puppy face. Ooh.
I see what you mean.
On to Peter Pan.
Beetle bugs. At least you're good at burping. If I could burp like that, I'd be doing it all the time.
Frostus, you'll do great!
Well, trust me, he's gassy and full of beats and got the burps to groove.
Got it, John Jerry! Show them who the burp master is.
Ring-a-ding-ding! That pile of bones has got all the right moves. Ow! No right hand.
nutritious lunch?
Check, so I can get lunch at the Shack of Fish.
And my burps are better than yours!
No way! Mine are better because I'm a bigger slob than you!
I think you'll find that ground belongs to me.
I hope you're not sad about your Megazilla sandwich.
It's okay. It kind of tastes the same anyway.